Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use CapCut Pro. So actually, you can just select like a video here and then add in some like pro effects. You can use like the trial, but if you don't want to, you can just like add in the effects. You can still add in like effects and stuff, but you can't just export it. You can like screen record it, but the quality isn't gonna be the very best. You can just go to modify here, go to performance and make sure it's on the highest setting, and you can just turn off the proxy. So when you save it and you like replay your video, it's going to be in a higher quality than if you enable the proxy. But that's like the only way you can basically use CapCut Pro without all the hassle. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.